Hi Z! Today I'm gonna make Indonesian fast delicious foods using ready-to-use seasoning on the market called Nasi Uduk and telurbalado. Both are popular Indonesian dishes which have rich savory taste, commonly enjoyed as breakfast dishes but can be eaten at any time of the day. Typically served with a variety of side dishes, but don't be too happy. I won't make this complete fancy version of it. I will keep all fast and simple by using only eggs and rice as the main ingredients. If you're lazy or busy or busy, sounds like a sexy Frenchie, right? Well, this video is for you. Let's start by boiling the water for the eggs, then cooking the white rice. If you have a rice cooker, good for you. Otherwise, it's fine. I personally don't have it, so I always use my saucepan and the finger method for measuring the water for the rice. I rinse 2 cups of rice. I know some of you don't rinse the rice, but I prefer to rinse it at least once. Perfect! I always cook my rice with low heat so that I can do something else in the meantime. Next, I clean all the eggs that I'm gonna boil. Yes, clean them all! Most people were confused watching me cleaning the eggs and they asked me why. Once again, it's my preference, you don't have to do it, but we know well where they come out from and sometimes it's inevitable for them to not fall down into the pan. Now I put them into the boiling water carefully and oh my god, you see it? Some are cracked. I'm safe from the contamination. I see that there's still some space left, so I'll clean some more eggs to fill it. Here you go. I maximize the capacity every time I cook, so that I can have more food and cook less. Don't forget that this is the main point of this video, it's lazy cook. So now I have 15 eggs in total, perhaps I can eat them for 5 times. Let's put them aside, they need some rice before I peel them all. The rice smells so good and it's a sign that it's already well cooked. Look at this! What a bright white rice, looking good! Okay, I should peel and cook the eggs fast before the rice become cold. Focus, focus. Whoa, such a lucky day. You see how they will cooperate? Easy peasy peeling them. Just crack it in the middle, then take off the top, then the bottom, rinse again, make sure it's clean and smooth, then do the same to the others. Originally, they're supposed to be deep fried after this step to get slightly crunchy texture, but I don't have time for that. My rice is chilling out right now. Let's jump to the next step. Put the oil evenly and open the first seasoning. This one is actually for making chicken liver mixed with fried potatoes, but I replaced them with eggs instead. This is a thick paste full of spices. If you live in Paris or in its suburbs, you can go to Belleville in Paris to buy it. I'll give you the store name and the link in the descriptions. I'm not their affiliate, I purely want to share this info for you. They sell more Indonesian products now than before. The price is also very affordable there, so I'm happy for that. If you live far from this Asian supermarket, you can reach directly the Indonesian sellers in France, and they mostly can ship everywhere in France. Get back to the eggs. After heating the seasoning paste with oil, put all the eggs, pour the coconut milk, stir, stir, stir. Once the color becomes dark enough, taste it. Add some salt and sugar if you like savory foods like me, or you can skip this step. By the way, I'm someone who almost never follow recipe, but I very often get nice compliments when I cook, so at least I know that I have a great taste, especially when they ask me my recipe. Improvisations is the key. The eggs are ready and it's the time to prepare the rice. I planned to use only half of it, but turns out the oil and the sauce came out separately, so I decided to mix it all with the rice. The instructions suggest to put 500 grams of rice, but I prefer to add the rice little by little and mix it well because it's very common that the ready seasoning doesn't have strong enough flavor. I do this to avoid any disappointment. We finally reach last step, which is plating. I use almost half of the rice I mixed and add 2 eggs. Oh no, accident! Well, it's fine, I can hide it with my last big fish chips. Ta-da! Well done, girl! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you again in the next Lazy Cook episode. Bye!